ne padne na glavu. Here's a little update on my Lovebird I got yesterday. I didn't had intention to let him so early out of the cage. I wanted him to adjust first a little bit to the room and everything. But he looked so bored in a cage. He was walking around, so I decided to just open the door, close the curtain on the windows, and try to make everything safe in a room. So first he jumped on a door, look around a little bit. And then he started flying. He was outside for maybe 1 hour and he was flying a lot. He got super tired, so now he's almost falling asleep on the bottom of the cage.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe button to follow more updates about my Lovebird. I'm going to try to tame him in the future. This is his second day only. He's still a little bit wild, so in the future I hope I can work with him a lot and get him super tamed. So hit that subscribe button to get updates about him. I'll try to make videos every day. Right, thank you, bye.